Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a page builder app that's making your Shopify store slow. Page builder apps are great for creating custom landing pages and unique layouts, but they can also add extra code, images, and scripts that increase loading times. If your store has become noticeably slower after installing a page builder, there are several simple steps you can take to improve performance without completely redesigning your website. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Apps or Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. Open your Page Builder app and review the pages you've created. If you have old landing pages, duplicate sections, or unpublished drafts that are no longer needed, remove them. Keeping only active pages helps reduce unnecessary resources and makes your store easier to manage. Next, simplify your page layouts. Many page builders let you add image galleries, animations, countdown timers, sliders, videos, and other visual effects. While these features look great, using too many on a single page can slow down loading times. Keep only the elements that provide value to your visitors, and remove anything that's purely decorative. Another important step is optimizing your images before uploading them. Compress large images, resize them to the correct dimensions, and use modern formats like WEP whenever possible. Large media files are one of the biggest reasons page builder pages load slowly, especially on mobile devices. You should also review any third-party widgets you've added through the page builder. Embedded maps, social media feeds, live chat widgets, review tools, and external forms all load additional scripts. If you don't absolutely need them, consider removing them or limiting them to specific pages instead of displaying them site-wide. After making your changes, preview your page and test it on both desktop and mobile devices. Browse through the page naturally and make sure images, buttons, and other content still display correctly while loading more smoothly. Next, run the page through Google PageSpeed Insights. Compare your performance score before and after your optimizations. The report may highlight large images, unused JavaScript, or other recommendations that can help improve loading speed even further. If your page builder offers built-in performance settings, such as image optimization, lazy loading, or script optimization, enable those features whenever available. Many modern page builder apps include tools specifically designed to reduce page size and improve loading times. It's also a good idea to compare your page builder pages with your regular Shopify theme pages. If you notice that only the page builder pages are significantly slower, consider using the page builder only for special landing pages while keeping your standard product and collection pages on your Shopify theme. And that's it. That's how to fix a page builder app that's slowing down your Shopify store. By simplifying your layouts, optimizing images, removing unnecessary widgets, using your app's built-in optimization tools, and testing your pages regularly, you can improve loading speed while still creating attractive, high-converting pages. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.